So here's 1010 app. It's a viral app, and I will just try to share with you some hidden tips and tricks, like some my experience with using this app, what you should know to become a more power user. So as you can see, 1010 app right now is climbing to the top charts of social media in US. It's a new growing, like teenage messenger. 1010 turns your phone into a live walkie-talkie with your best friends anywhere, anytime. Saying it, shout it, or whisper it, your friends will hear you live on their phone, even when their screen is locked. It feels like they're next to you. So that's the idea, that you just speak with your friends on the walkie-talkie. You don't need to use like AirPods, some headphones. Just hold your phone near your ear and stuff like that. So it's super easy. And then you just can use this app first with your close friends. I would really recommend you, and then just move on to everyone. So what you need to do first, you can just install it on iOS. It's also available on Android recently, so it works on Android. So if you have friends on Android, that's fine. So here it is. And then how to create your account. Basically, you have 4 options: Apple, Google, TikTok, phone, or email. It's not possible to create an account with your phone, so only email. But I would recommend you to create an account with Apple, Google, or TikTok, because that just works better and less bugs. And like if you try to create an account with email, sometimes your confirmation code not gonna arrive, and some other bugs. I need to say, this is like an app built by a small team, and like therefore there are quite few glitches. This team didn't expect this type of virality for the app, but yeah, now the app is viral, and you can go read on their TikTok, like their servers are not yet ready for that. That's why some people just can't create an account, but hopefully you will be able. So I will just show you an example of my other account. So when you just create an account, you enter your full name, and then you will see this screen. So you will need still to add at least one friend, and that one friend needs to accept your request. So it's a bit annoying, but on the good side, you only need to add one friend. You don't need to add 5 friends as in some other apps. And how to add friends here, it's also a bit different. So you have your PIN code in the top right. So that's basically your username. And then if you tap plus icon, that's basically how you add in friends, just by entering your PIN code. Not your own PIN code, but your friend's PIN code. So either you need to copy this PIN code and share with your friends and ask your friends to, who are already on 1010 to add you. Or if you already have a friend, you can just enter their PIN code here and enter their PIN code here, enter the friend, and then you need to wait until your friend accepts you. So it's not just you need to invite, someone needs to actually download the app and accept you there. So that's what it is. Until you do that, you can't go into the app. You will see just waiting for one of your friends to accept your request. So that's a bit annoying, and you just need to have one friend or convince one friend to do that. You can go on Reddit and ask someone to accept your friend request if you really want the app or something around that. And then there is a gear icon, so you can just log out from there. But now I will show you my other account where I'm already inside the app. And here's by the way, this is how you will receive your friend requests. And this is how the app looks like. I really like the design. It's very minimalistic, very easy to use. You understand everything. So the idea is you just have your friends here, and then you just call to your friends. You just hold